Now, Sarah, there's a lot of options for people online too that feel like they need to do their own taxes. Not always the best option for people, is it? Why?
Yeah, well, there's a lot of reasons for that. Online is only as good as your knowledge of the tax law. I mean, they make it really simple and really easy to go in and push a few buttons and file your taxes.
Right.
But are they done correctly?
Yeah.
We as enrolled agents, we go through 30 hours of continuing education plus every year to be current on the tax law. Unless you want to take 30 hours, plus
plus all your
plus the accumulated knowledge, every year to go and do that, you probably don't know all of the current tax laws.
Okay.
I see it this way. I pay someone else to change the oil in my car. Could I do it? Probably. It would take me a really long time. But my theory is I stay here and I do what I'm good at, and I pay someone else to take care of that. It's the same thing with your taxes. Do what you're good at and let the experts help you with your taxes.
But it's always good advice, isn't it? You're going to go with somebody like yourselves here at OSO that know what they're doing. Anybody can push a button. They're not necessarily pushing the right buttons. They're just not getting perhaps the biggest refund that they're entitled to.
Exactly, and that has happened several times that I've had people come in. An example I can think of is a gentleman that came in not too long ago with his last 3 years' taxes, and he did not claim his daughter. She was an adult, she was disabled, but he didn't know that he could claim her. Right. So, going back through, there was potentially a huge deduction and a lot more of a refund, that was available though for him that he just missed because he pushed the buttons, but he
was probably directed to push without knowing the other side of it.
Exactly, yeah. I have another example of a college student who did her taxes online, and she had claimed income from a scholarship that shouldn't have been claimed as income. Okay. And so now she was in trouble with FAFSA, the government
loans.
Yeah, it was a scholarship, right, actually. Right. But she was getting in trouble, and they were asking her to pay back last year's money that they had given her, and they weren't going to give her any money for the next year. Oh. Because she mistakenly put income on her taxes.
Potentially devastating if you're a student.
Oh, she was devastated. Yeah, but she came in and I talked to her, and within, 30, 45 minutes maybe, it was all cleared up. I had filled out the form that she needed to fix the problem, and she was done and on her way, and she promised me no more online. I am your customer for life. So
well, that's what we want to hear, right? And that's all down to customer service and just the sheer knowledge and the weight of that knowledge that they have here at OSO. Tell us where you are, Sarah, and how people can get this help.
We are at OSO Insurance and Tax Service, 1201 South Main Street in Logan, 554-0181. You can call us anytime or just walk in. We have that too.
So that is just opposite the Macy's store here at the south end of the valley. Make an appointment, call, stop by. Sarah is here and all the rest of the staff here at OSO to help you. Thanks, Sarah.
Thank you.